Okay, guys. Time response. So the class is time response analysis. Okay. So what is meant by time response analysis? So before going to know about the time response, we're going to the closed loop. We all know about the closed loop transfer function. So closed loop transfer function. So what is meant by closed loop transfer function? C of s by R of s. Okay. It's nothing but the transfer function. We all know about this thing. Okay. CFS by R of s. So we all know that CFS by R of s is the Laplace ratio of the Laplace transform output to the ratio of the Laplace transform of input with zero initial conditions is known as Laplace. So already we Laplace the output and input. Okay. So CFS is the output and R of s is the input. Okay. Okay, guys. So CFS is the output, RFS is the input. So the time response of the system is a function of the system and input to the system. Okay. So from this, we all know that what is the transfer function? C of s by R of s equals to G of s by 1 plus G of s into H of s. We all know this from the, am I right? Output from this expression. So output is C of s is equals to R of s into expression what we got. See here, we can take the output. Okay, we can take the output C of s. That means this C of s, we can write the expression for C of s. Why? Because time response analysis. Response means output. Here, the response is output. That's why we can take the expression for the output here. Okay, here the response is C of s. So C of s is equals to R of s into G of s by 1 plus G of s into H of s. Now the task is we are going to convert this S domain into time domain. Okay. So we are going to convert the S domain into time domain. So response in time domain. Here the response is in S domain. It is the S domain. Now we are going to convert this S domain into time domain. Now we are going to convert the time domain. So for this we are going to inverse Laplace transform. We are going to apply here the inverse Laplace transform to convert the S domain into time domain. Okay. So then C of t is equals to inverse Laplace of C of s, that is equals to inverse Laplace of m of s into r of s. Why? Because here m of s is equals to g of s by 1 plus g of s into h of s. Okay. So this is the expression for m of s. Is it clear, guys? So this is the response in time domain. Okay, let us draw a closed loop system. The transient and the steady state response. Okay, the transient response is the response of system when the input changes from one state to another. Okay. Okay, guys.